Oh, what a great shot! Boy, do I need a shave. Wait a sec. I don't have a beard. Wow! It's a million-year-old cave woodpecker frozen in ice.
Congratulations, Mr. Woodpecker. You have found your earliest known relative, the cave woodpecker. This is the archaeological find of the millennium.
I'll be rich and famous. Woohoo! But how am I gonna get you to the museum? Better get a pecking. There goes my fame and fortune. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm trying to help you.
Lumber.
Food? Fine. Just stop clobbering the wallpaper, you Neander freak.
Tickets, please.
Oh, no. I don't have a ticket for you. You gotta hide. One ticket for Woody Woodpecker, traveling alone, by himself.
May I help you stow that suitcase?
I'll just stow it up here. Good night, steward. That does it, Buster. Hey, good idea. Let's get you into some duds so you'll blend in. Not bad. Now it's my turn. Now let's go eat.
Go eat! Go eat! Go eat!
This guy better make me really rich.
Tickets, please.
Oops. Shh. Let's get out of here.
Shh! Let's get out of here.
Mr. Woodpecker, what a surprise! I thought you were traveling alone.
This is my, my uncle. Oh, yeah, hey, I'm from a very foreign country. Very friendly woodpeckers there, and very clean.
Oh, how utterly charmed. Charmed. I've been all over the world, and I've never had my hand licked before. May I? May I? Everyone simply must meet your uncle. Toodles for now, Mr. Woodpecker.
Now look what you...
May I? Yeah, sure. I'll never win a prize.
Time to go, We won! Look! We won! Sweet! Now, we're going to dinner. You behave. Huh? Everything's a game with you, isn't it?
Everything's a game. Everything's a game.
Oh, yes! I couldn't agree more. And doesn't it get so tiresome playing by the rules all the time?
Sweet!
Ooh, you are a breath of fresh air, Woodpecker. Oh, let's eat our dessert first and have dinner after. You social saboteur, you.
You social saboteur, you!
you nuts? Knock it.
Oh, this is fun!
Oh, this is fun. Hey, break it up. You're gonna get us kicked off this train.
You! I knew you were trouble!
Let's Amscray. No. You're coming with me.
He wants to stay! He's the life of the party!
And stay off this train!
May I see your ticket, Woodpecker?
He's with me, steward. Put his ticket, put his dinner, put this whole darn dining car on my tab. Then clean this place up at once so we can do it all over again.
My wild woodpecker, gone. Oh, I'd like to take this club and... Wait a minute.
Your Cave Woodpecker Club will make a fine addition to our museum, Mr. Woodpecker.
Is that all it's worth?
Well, we do find a lot of these clubs in our digs. However, if you should ever come across one of these, you'd be absolutely set for life.